I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford F-150 taillight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead screwdriver for prying. Of course, have your brand new tail light assembly ready to go. A clean cloth will help keep things tidy, and a small piece of electrical tape can be useful for securing wires if needed. Having these items prepared makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now let's get that old tail light out. Begin by opening your truck's tailgate. This gives you clear access to the two retaining screws on the inside edge of the tail light. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver and carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the truck body, to release it from its mounting pins. Finally, disconnect the electrical harnesses by pressing the small release tabs and pulling them apart. With the old light removed, it's time for the new one. First, connect the electrical harnesses to your new tail light assembly. They should click firmly into place. Next, carefully align the new assembly with the two mounting pins on the truck's body. Gently but firmly push the tail light straight into place until it seats securely and is flush with the truck's panel. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. You're almost done. The most important final step is to test your new tail light. Have a friend help you check all functions: the brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. Make sure everything illuminates correctly. Double-check that the new light is securely fastened and sits flush against the truck body. Give the lens a quick wipe with a clean cloth to remove any fingerprints. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Ford F-150 tail light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.